Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with the self-care days of my life vlog. With Valentine's coming up, I thought I would just do some self-care things to show myself some love. I feel like it's nice to take some days to do some things that you love, kind of treat yourself a little extra on Valentine's. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do. Comment below some things you like to do to de-stress or just like some self-care, and let's just get into the video. First up, I'm just gonna do a little shopping. I have a nail appointment later this afternoon, so before my nail appointment, I'm just gonna do a little shopping. I'm gonna go to Sephora, Anthropologie. I'm gonna get some flowers at Trader Joe's. I'm just gonna do a little shopping. Honestly, there's nothing I love more than shopping. Even if I'm not buying anything, just going in the stores is like relaxing and fun to me. I love shopping. Adding it to my mental wish list. I could literally shop for hours. For me, that's just one of my favorite activities, so I'm just gonna do a little shopping. Not anything too crazy, just like what I have time for before my nail appointment. Done shopping and now it's time to get my nails done. I also took off the old nails. I think I'm just gonna do some pale pink clean girl neutral nails. I want to do something fun, but also I just love a good set of clean nails. Good morning. I've just had like a really relaxing self-care type of morning. Just kind of like a nice slow morning, I guess. I do have a Zoom call here in less than an hour, so I actually do need to like hurry up and get ready. I just made this coffee. I got this cute glass from Anthropologie. How cute is it? I'm just obsessed with these glasses. Got this as a little gift to myself for Valentine's. How cute. Also, my coffee is just so good today. I mean, can you tell by that color? Seriously, I've talked about this in so many videos. Syrup I use, every single time I use that syrup, my coffee is just amazing. I'll link the syrup below. It's a honey vanilla cinnamon syrup. I think I'm on my third bottle now. I'm just gonna get ready. I thought I'd just do a little get ready with me. I have the new Rhode lip liner, so I thought it'd be really fun to like try it out. Obviously, I've already tried it out. I thought it'd be fun to kind of talk about it. For my base, I actually do have a new product, and it's this Isle of Paradise Sunny Serum Instant Face Bronzer. I've been using it pretty much every day since I got it, and I'm really obsessed with it. It gives my face like a really nice glow. I like to, okay, this is like literally empty. I got like a tiny bit out. Honestly, I'm not really going anywhere today, so it's fine. This is like a really good primer. It just helps my makeup last longer throughout the day. It gives my skin a nice glow. I kind of like to mix that with this to like dilute this a little bit, so it's not like just bronzer on my face. Since I barely have any of this, I'm just gonna use a little bit less of this, if that makes any sense. I'm just gonna use like half a pump of this. Also, my face is not really that pale anyways. I just kind of like to mix this. It gives my face a nice bronze. Like the tan on my face wears off faster than the tan on my body. It just kind of evens it out. As you can see, my face just has a nice kind of sun-kissed glow. Matches my neck a little bit more. It would also be great for like a no makeup day, like when you're literally not wearing any makeup, you could just put a little bit of this on. Now for foundation, I'm gonna use my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Now I'm gonna use the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer. I feel like this pairs really nicely with the foundation. Also, I really wanna try the Hourglass Concealer. If you guys have tried it, let me know your thoughts. I'm just gonna use this Makeup by Mario brush. I'm gonna use the smaller side to just kind of blend this out. Now I'm gonna use the Rhode blush in the shade Sleepy Girl. I absolutely love this color, especially for like the fall and winter. I'm just gonna use the same brush, but I'm gonna use the other side that's like a little bit fluffier. I like to take the brush and just kind of brush it on the blush and then just put that on. I'm just so obsessed with this color. I think it's so pretty. Now I'm just gonna set my face with some loose powder from Laura Mercier. I feel like this step is essential to just kind of lock in my makeup and help it last longer throughout the day. Otherwise it'll just look really like greasy and wet and it'll just basically slide off my face. I like to use this little powder puff to set under my eyes. And then I like to use a fluffy brush to just kind of dust rest all over my face. Now I'm just gonna go in with some bronzer to just kind of warm up my face a little bit. I'm just gonna use this Patrick top blush and I'm just gonna use a little bit, not too much. This is the She's That Girl, it's not too much. It's not too much. And one of my favorite products, this Dior highlight palette. I think I'm gonna do the pink one today. I'm kind of feeling the pink Valentine's vibes. Just a little bit. And now I'm just gonna add some faux freckles. Now time for my favorite part, the brows. This part is just so satisfying. I'm gonna use the Refi Brow Sculpt. This is one of my favorite products. I'm just so obsessed with it. I'm just gonna use brow gel to brush through my brows. It comes with a brush, so I'm just gonna use this to brush through my brows and just kind of like shape them. That brow literally turned out perfect. Literally just obsessed with this product. It makes my brows look so good every time. I'm just gonna do a little eyeshadow. Now time for the best part. Finally time to use the Rhode lip shade. I got the shade Lean. This formula is super, super creamy. It doesn't feel like dry. I feel like a lot of lip products feel like they're literally just so drying. And then I'm just gonna go over it with some lip gloss. I'm gonna use this Say lip gloss in the shade Kiss. That is the makeup. I'm ready for the day and I just really love how this turned out. And now I'm just gonna hop on a Zoom call actually. I'm just gonna do that and I will talk to you guys after. It's a little bit later. I've just been getting some work done. I'm actually planning out a really fun upcoming video, just kind of like outlining and planning it, getting some links together. I'll just tell you guys what it is. It's a fashion trends video, so I'm researching all the fashion trends, finding pictures of the fashion trends, links for the fashion trends. I love planning out these types of videos. It's just really fun researching like the upcoming fashion trends for the season. I want to get it filmed next week, so I'm just trying to kind of get everything prepped for that video. Just getting that done, replying to some emails. I had a call with my manager earlier and we kind of went over some stuff for the upcoming month. I'm just feeling very inspired and motivated for the month of February. I do want to quickly clean up my apartment because I feel like it's just really messy. I feel like I just have stuff everywhere. I love putting on like a podcast or even just like some fun music or something when I'm cleaning because it just makes it feel like more of a fun activity. Last time I cleaned my apartment, I put on some One Direction music. It was just playing the best songs, like back to back to back. I set a timer. I'm gonna try to do this in less than 30 minutes. It is a little bit later. My apartment is looking clean. I just feel like I have my life together when my apartment is clean. It makes me feel so much more relaxed and motivated. I did a bunch of things that I've been like procrastinating doing, like watering my plants. Now I'm just gonna make some cookies. Just like a nice little sweet treat. I got this cookie dough from Trader Joe's the other day. I've actually had this before. It's so good. Are you freaking kidding me? I was trying to film it and I dropped it. I'm sure they're still edible though, right? That was literally like the whole entire package too. The cookies are done. They look so good. Let's do a little taste test. They're so chocolatey. These are so good. I'm about to go get a hydrafacial. I literally look so pale right now, like without any makeup, which is crazy because I literally put fake tan on my face. I'm gonna go get a hydrafacial. She's also gonna be doing a dermaplane and some kind of like jelly mask. I'm really excited. I've only gotten one facial, so I can't wait to have glowing skin, glowing pale skin. Actually, I have some breakouts right now, so I feel like this is a good time to go. I feel like a cystic pimple forming on my chin, and then I have some other breakouts on my cheek. I feel like this is a good time to go and just get a good deep clean of my skin. The hydrafacial gets in and like really deep cleans everything, just kind of like sucks everything out. I'll actually have her explain it when we go. Last time I was really nervous about the dermaplane, but it was like free with the hydrafacial. I went ahead and did it, and I really loved the dermaplane. Your skin just feels so smooth and clean because it scrapes off all that like extra dead skin and like hair and everything like that. I just like loved how smooth my skin felt afterwards. Seeing all the gunk that comes out of your skin is crazy. Try to film some clips while I'm there. I'll show you guys what my skin looks like after. Here is before.
Hi guys, so a hydrafacial is a customized facial all for all skin types. It's basically like a wet microdermabrasion handpiece that we use for the facial, and it's all customizable for every client. So acne prone, fine lines, wrinkles, pigment, it kind of treats everything. It's doing a deep cleanse using a vortex fusion technology, so you're really getting the best benefit of all the serums. It's pushing everything in there, but there's no downtime. You're not super red, you're just left super hydrated and glowy.
Got done with my hydrafacial. My skin looks so glowy. My skin literally feels so smooth. That's all the gunk and dirt and makeup that came out of my face. My skin is looking so good. She did the deluxe hydrafacial, so she did like some extra stuff. I feel like a facial is definitely something good to do every like once in a while. It just gives your skin such a nice glow. I totally forgot to do a haul of some of the things I got while I was shopping at the beginning of the video, and just some things that I picked up recently. I thought I would end this video with a little haul. First up is this little glass from Anthropologie, which you guys already saw, but I'm so obsessed with it. It's just so cute with like the little heart. I'm obsessed with these glasses. You don't have to get a separate glass for the espresso because it just fits under the machine perfectly. I just love it. I'm so obsessed. Next is Sephora. I actually had a $25 reward from the credit card that was about to expire. I didn't really need any restocks on any of my products, and honestly there wasn't really anything on my wish list, which is shocking. I went in really with nothing in mind. I ended up getting the Say lip liner. I'm kind of trying to rebuild my lip liner collection. I used to have a bunch of MAC ones back when I was like in high school. That was over 10 years ago, so they definitely expired. I don't really have any like dark kind of berry colored lip liners. I'm wanting to add that to my collection, so I got this Say lip liner in the shade Twist. After I got this, I've been seeing it all over my TikTok. Like I've just been seeing it everywhere. Every time I see like a really pretty lip combo, it's literally the shade. I'm so glad I got this. Let's try it out. Now some lipstick. Ooh, I feel like that's so pretty. I kind of feel like I didn't apply it super good. This is exactly the shade that I've been wanting. The formula of this is really different from my other lip liners. Even though spring is coming up, I think this would look really good in the fall winter. I think Berry Lips is going to be really trendy. You guys already saw, but I got the Rhode lip shape in the shade Lean. I just kind of wanted to quickly give you guys my thoughts after using it the last few days. I've seen a lot on social media about it doesn't last long. I personally think it lasts fine. Like I haven't really notice that. I was actually gonna do a wear test on my TikTok, so definitely make sure to follow me on TikTok if you guys aren't already. I don't know if it'll be up by the time this is up. If this just fell on the floor and broke, I would definitely repurchase it. I also don't feel the need to like purchase more. I feel like I'm good with just this one. I've been using it nonstop. It's really hydrating, which I feel like is good. A lot of other lip liners are just really drying, but this one I feel like is really hydrating and creamy. My lips are so dry right now, so I feel like that is part of the reason I've just been really like loving this. I'm wearing it a ton since I got it. If you're only gonna have like one lip liner in your collection, I think the Makeup Forever one is better. If you're wanting something a little bit more moisturizing or just like applies differently, this one is really good. Next, I picked up some new pieces from Skims. I'm obsessed with the Skims cotton jersey tees. I literally wear them like every single day. Not even kidding, like at least 2 or 3 times a week I wear a cotton jersey tee. They're just so comfy and so effortless. They're just my go-to when I don't know what to wear. I love this pale pink color. If you can't tell, it's like the same color as my nails. I love like a color that's also kind of like a neutral. It's just such a light color that it almost feels like a neutral. It doesn't feel like so bright and in your face. So I just love this pale pink. It's actually probably one of my favorite colors. I don't really have anything like this in my wardrobe. As I was adding the cotton jersey tee to my cart, I was just so tempted to get some sweatpants because I always wear some loose, comfy, wide leg sweatpants with my cotton jersey tees. That's like my daily uniform. I was like, why not get the matching sweatpants? That would be so comfy, so cute. Then I was like, why not have the hoodie? Because the hoodie would be so comfy and cute too, as like a little matching cozy sweat set. I ended up just getting all of these. I actually don't have any sweats from Skims. I've always been really curious how their sweats fit, and I have to say these are really comfy. I think I like Aritzia's maybe just slightly better. I feel like Skims kind of has better colors. I like the colors that Skims comes out with. I'll link the exact pieces I got below. Lastly are some new sweaters. I actually showed these on Instagram and TikTok, so you guys might have seen them already. I got some new sweaters from Suzanne. These are literally the cutest sweaters. These are some of my favorite sweaters in my collection. This butter yellow fuzzy sweater. I have so many sweaters like this saved on my Pinterest, and I've been looking for a sweater like this. I love the style as well. It's kind of like a more fitted lightweight cardigan. It's so cute. So I'll link this down below. I believe it's still in stock, but I feel like it's probably gonna sell it fast. I also got this baby pink sweater. As you can tell, I'm just loving baby pink. This one's a little bit thicker. It's so comfy, so cozy. This is one of my favorite styles from Suzanne. It's just so cute, and you can style it a bunch of different ways. Like, I'm seriously so obsessed. Love the style, love the color. It's definitely probably one of my most favorite sweaters in my entire collection. I just know I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. That is everything that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini haul. That is actually everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below something you like to do in the springtime, or just something you like to do to just kind of relax, some kind of self-care activity. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.